Lupus is a disease occurs when the body's immune system attacks its own tissues and organs. World Lupus Day was created to raise awareness about the disease that can have devastating effects on sufferers and their families.
Well, I would say lupus disease is a masquerade of a lot of things, but symptomatically, usually patients they have skin manifestations. Lupus patient can present with varying forms of rashes, especially the commonest one is the butterfly rash, which we will usually see on the cheeks of the patient, on the nasal bridge, sparing the nasolabial folds of patients. They can manifest with some discoid rashes on their face, on their hands, arms, and even on the trunk. We know that lupus, of course, is a disease of the female, which usually it has a female predominance, especially of the female with childbearing age, and studies have shown that it usually attacks females of ages 15 to 45 years of age. So early diagnosis and treatment, of course, and for patients who have established diagnosis of lupus, especially lupus, I will advise them to be frequent on their follow-ups as well as on their medications.
There is some preventive measures, because someone that has been genetically inclined to have lupus on its own, but it has never manifested. If you can prevent triggers, something that can trigger it, like exposure to sun, taking some drugs that is not necessary, or smoking cigarettes, it can prevent it from not manifesting early.
Arewa Lupus Foundation of Nigeria joined the rest of the world to celebrate the World Lupus Day, which was established to take place on May 10th.
We are celebrating Lupus Day because it's the World Lupus Day, and we are making awareness about lupus to our family and relatives, and we are giving advice to the fellow lupus patient on how to take care of themselves and what they are going to avoid as a lupus patient. Our appeal to the government is to assist the lupus patient with the drugs, because it's a disease that you are going to take drugs throughout your lifetime, and to support the doctors by sponsoring them to study rheumatology, because especially in Africa and Nigeria, northern Nigeria, we lack rheumatologists, that is doctors that treat lupus patients and other immune diseases.
The theme for this year's day is Make Lupus Visible, which intends to raise public awareness about lupus, diagnosis, and its social, economic, and psychological impacts. Muhammad Adamu, AIT News, Kano.